Did you know the 2026 Toyota RAV4 could cost over $28,000 in the first 5 years, but some hidden features could actually save you thousands? Stick around because today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the RAV4 2026, including ownership costs, reliability, hidden facts, hybrid versus gas comparisons, competitor analysis, and bonus tips for American drivers. Welcome to DriveSense, smart car facts for American drivers. We cover real ownership costs, reliability, hidden facts, and comparisons to help you make smarter car decisions. The 2026 RAV4 starts at around $28,500 for the gas model, while the hybrid trims start closer to $31,500. Insurance averages between $1,400 and $1,700 per year depending on your state, and factors like your driving record, credit score, and coverage level can make a big difference. Maintenance costs are slightly higher for hybrid versions due to battery system checks, but Toyota's strong reliability ratings help keep long-term costs manageable. Over 5 years, depreciation, fuel, and maintenance combined make understanding ownership costs crucial before you buy. For example, the gas version averages around 26 miles per gallon, while the hybrid can reach up to 40 miles per gallon in city driving, which can save hundreds to over $1,000 in fuel depending on your driving habits. Toyota continues to maintain high reliability ratings, and the RAV4 includes hidden features that can save you money and enhance safety. These include the hands-free liftgate, optional digital rear-view mirror, advanced driver assist technology like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and Toyota's SafetySense suite. Many drivers don't realize the RAV4 also comes with features like a multi-terrain select system, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot compatibility, and smartphone integrated navigation updates, which add value and convenience. If you're debating hybrid versus gas, here's a detailed breakdown. The hybrid RAV4 costs a bit more upfront but can save up to $800 to $1,000 a year in fuel. Gas versions have lower initial maintenance for now, but slightly higher fuel costs, meaning your choice can make a difference of around $4,000 over 5 years. Hybrids may also benefit from federal or state tax incentives depending on where you live, which further increases their long-term value. Now, let's compare the 2026 RAV4 to its main competitors. The Honda CR-V offers slightly lower resale value and fuel economy, and while it has a solid safety rating, it doesn't include some of the advanced driver assist features that are standard or optional on the RAV4. The Subaru Forester provides all-wheel drive as standard and excellent off-road capability, but it comes with higher maintenance costs and slightly lower fuel efficiency. The Nissan Rogue is slightly cheaper upfront, but reliability ratings are lower, and it lacks some of the hybrid efficiency that the RAV4 offers. Overall, the RAV4 remains a strong choice for American drivers seeking a balance of reliability, fuel efficiency, and resale value. In addition to these comparisons, the 2026 RAV4 offers a range of benefits that make it one of the smartest SUV choices. High resale value, strong reliability, hybrid fuel savings, and hidden tech and safety features all contribute to long-term ownership value. Upcoming 2026 features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an updated all-wheel drive system for better handling in various road conditions, and the latest advanced driver assist software with improved lane centering and traffic sign recognition. Optional accessories like roof racks, all-weather floor mats, and cargo organizers add practicality for families and outdoor enthusiasts. For American drivers, knowing these details can save significant money and improve your driving experience. Real-world ownership costs, fuel savings from hybrid models, insurance estimates, and the added convenience of hidden features all play a role in making the 2026 RAV4 a standout choice. Whether you commute daily, take weekend road trips, or need a reliable family SUV, the RAV4 provides versatility, efficiency, and peace of mind. In short, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers strong reliability, reasonable ownership costs, hybrid fuel savings, hidden tech features, and practical advantages that make it a top choice for American drivers. Which 2026 SUV are you considering? RAV4, CR-V, or Forester? Comment below and let us know which one you want us to break down next. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. DriveSense, smart car facts for American drivers.